So what is culture? Before trying to know what is safety culture, we should understand what is the concept of organizational culture. This is an easy question, but not everybody can explain what organizational culture is. Culture can be defined as the basic assumptions, shared values, and beliefs that guide how employees behave towards others and address their work. So let's see an example of what culture is. These people are working in a very relaxed environment. All of them share their organizational culture, and no one is shocked of working here. So that doesn't mean that all industries and organizations have or must work the same way, or the way they work here. Which means that there are as many organizational cultures as companies, and most of them will be similar inside their business field. When we think of organizational culture, we have to know that it's similar to an iceberg. Only 1/9 is seen, and the rest is hidden. Like the iceberg, part is above the surface, but the rest is under the water. So from the top to the bottom, we will see that on the top, or at the top, as the most visible part of the organizational culture, we have the artifacts. Those are the first thing that an outsider to the organization will see, and are the most obvious things, like the language and the technology we have, the emotional displays, the physical structure, or the dress code. Beneath that, we have another fundamental part. And that fundamental part of the organizational culture are the norms and values. We will have all those conscious beliefs, ideologies, rationalization, leadership style. All those things is what the organization tell us that are part of their culture. And if we go deeper, finally, we will have underlying assumptions. They are unconscious, and they are taken for granted. Beliefs and values. We have perception, thoughts, and feelings. From the top to the bottom, the artifacts are at the peak of the iceberg. They are visible and easy to change. It's the way we say we get things done. The deeper levels are less accessible, the lower they are, and thus they are harder and more difficult to change. So it's the way we really get the things done. It is not good for us to change the artifacts, but we must influence the assumptions.